Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a 2D drawing from the existing 3D solid part by using FreeCAD TechDraw Workbench. Today, you learn, specially, how to create a detail view. Here you find the first steps and the tools that I used to create the 2D drawing. The first step is to open the existing 3D model and then switching to the TechDraw Workbench. Next, click on the New Page Template tool and insert the preferred template to your project. To create the views, first select the body whose drawing we want to create and then click the Insert View button. Then follow Step 5 to create the main views. Click on simply this button to open the 3D solid part and to start the FreeCAD workspace. Now switch from Part Design Workbench to TechDraw Workbench. Next, click on the New Page Template tool and insert the preferred template to your project. I use the ISO standard drawing template. The size of the template depends on the size of your model as well as the number and the scale of the views. To create the views, first select the body whose drawing we want to create and then click the Insert View button. As you see, small view appears in the middle of the page. Click on the buttons in the dialog window until you see the front or the required view. Click on the other boxes to create the secondary views. Uncheck this Auto Distribute option if you want the views to stay where you drag them. I will keep the scale as it is. Click OK button to confirm. Activate this button to see the view frames and to reposition the views. Now, we start to create the section view. First select the view and then activate the Section View tool. Next, select the direction of the section or the arrow. Put the name or identifier of the view here. Activate the Life Update icon to see the section view before you close the dialog window. As you see, we have all the views to describe the 3D solid part. Next, we create the center and the symmetry lines. Set the line type and the thickness of the line in the Centerline dialog window. Next, we assign dimensions to the views. Add the diameter prefix to these circular dimensions. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Here, first find the intersection point of the lines and then put the dimensions. Next, we create the Detail view. Select the view and then activate the Detail View tool. To move the detail circle to the correct position, press the Drag Highlight button. Now, set the size of the circle and the scale of the Detail view in the dialog window. You also can change the name or the reference of the view. Next, we put some dimensions to the Detail view. To create a point at the middle of the line, first select the line and then activate the Midpoint Vertex tool. When you deactivate the View Frame tool, all the view frames and the texts will disappear. Write the name of the Detail view with the Annotation tool. Now, we create a colored or shaded 3D view. First, switch to the Part Design Workbench and then position the 3D model according to your wish. Next, switch back to the TechDraw Workbench. Now, click on simply the Active View tool and then position it to proper position. Finally, we edit the drawing text field according to the drawing's specification. Double-click and then edit the text. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.